That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Yes, it does. It's your girl Shanice and welcome to Vlogmas Day. Can you believe we've made it to day 10? Oh my god, if you've been here since Vlogmas Day 1, I want you to drop 10 Christmas tree down in the comments below so I can know that you're a real OG. And I'm not trying to throw any shade here because I know a lot of you guys do watch my videos, you just don't comment, but I'm kind of drawn out today and I'd love for you to comment some Christmas trees. And I'm feeling the Christmas breeze this morning, guys. I feel so blessed to be alive and I'm just so thankful. So on the agenda today, we have a little DIY project going on with a brand that we are doing a collaboration with. It's the Kisco Freezies brand, and they have this Kisco Kids Freezies that the boys love so much. We all love the Kisco products, but this one has their hearts because I think it's formulated with like natural fruits, so nothing artificial, so the boys love this. So we're going to do a little Christmas decoration today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these as ornaments for my Christmas tree. So I have some thread here and a needle, and I'm just gonna work some magic and try and, you know, add some strings to these so we can go ahead and hang them on the Christmas tree once the boys get home. So I'm gonna do that in a bit. Also, I want to do a little shopping today. I need to get the boys some Christmas hats for the same videos, and we may grab lunch, because my girl chef it up yesterday and I don't know, I just feel for home cooked meal these days. But I might go to Island Grill and try out their new Sorrel refresher. That's if it's out, I'm not positive, but Island Grill is my little spot, so we may stop there. What else is on the list? After the boys are done with the tree, because remember I was telling you guys the other day that the tree is really in its, you know, rudimental stages. It's not really what I want it to be. I have more ornaments I want to add to it, but I want to get this video out of the way first, and then I'll go ahead and add the finishing touches to my Christmas tree. Remember my Christmas tree or Christmas tree. So guys, stay tuned for all of today's festivities, and yeah, just enjoy the video. That's all I have to say. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells sing and jingle bells the ring. Growing and growing. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Okay guys, so we legit just pulled up like this tool. Hope you guys are seeing me. So I just pulled up. Where's my lip gloss? Don't tell me I left it. I left my little lip gloss. Oh no, it's here. So I just pulled up at Bashco, and as I said, I'm trying to find some Santa hats for the boys. I'm trying to like not go in there and just wander about the place because I'm on like a time crunch, so I don't want to. Oh my god. So as usual, if you don't know Shanice, my eyes love to wander, you know, and I end up in aisles that I'm not supposed to be in. So like a sunscreen, probably put on the clarity just to look dry. We don't have a dry face around here. So you guys, let's go and see what Bashco has in store for us. Hope the people them to buy off the things them. I'm home not too late, so yeah, let's go. Afternoon. Guys, we're seeing some Christmas trees. I think that's the one we have. Let me show you the one we have. This is our tree, and it's for 6,700. This is exactly what we have. One nice round one, there's up to 12. It's so cute. Alright guys, so I'm in Bashko and I just inquired about the Santa hats, and unfortunately they don't have any Santa hats, but this nice young lady mentioned that Trip Fashion might have it, so I'm gonna take a look at walk, go on a Trip Fashion and see if I find the Santa hats. So yeah, we've been rerouted, but I'm still looking to see what else they have here. They have like a variety of lights. They have so many lights. They have the wreaths, and they have the garland that I couldn't find the other day, and they have ribbons. I wish I came here earlier, guys. I wish I came here earlier, because see now they have the red ribbons, and I was looking red ribbons all of last week. So if you need ribbons, Bashko has it for you. So they have red, silver, gold. They have this frosty silver as well. They also have, oh, this is silver again, but it have like a white undertone. They have the blues, all different kind of color, the rose gold. Yeah man, Bashka go on with himself. I'm have ribbon already, I'm not buying no more. So yeah, let's see if we can dip and go on a trip. So I've made my way upstairs, but music there on here, so let me not venture that way. I'm looking at their mats or their rugs, because we need an area rug for the living room. I don't see much rugs though. Go back on the front. Oh, these are the cute rugs. Ooh, these are nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the rugs that them have. So far I'm seeing this blue and white. Not a fan. This is cute, but this is too bright for me. They have some floral patterns, and then they have this one. I would have liked this one if it was in a darker wash, but that's too light for the boys. Them are baby stuff. You know, we don't have kids, so we're not even gonna look over here. So, and then they have this brown one. All the mats that you guys have in store. Where else we can find mats? Just the ones that we see hang up? So where are they rolled up? To the back. Alright, thank you. I'm gonna look at my seat. Walk here, so yeah, he said that they have other mats in store. Oh, and them have some lovely paintings, guys. So yeah, mirrors. If you want a mirror for Christmas, these are cute. I have something like this at home, but in black. But them have mirrors galore, guys. Like, just look at the mirrors. So many to choose from. Okay, so here are the mats. I found the mat section. That's so very nice. This is brown. 11.5. These are the 17. You know, this mat, this hunt for a mat is for another day, guys. I don't think I have the time to go through all of this and pick a mat, so I might come back over the weekend, so I'll show you guys what I choose at that time. So we still need to run go trip, go get the hat, so let's go. Alright guys, so these are the ones I'm seeing. You say Merry Christmas, and then you have the little regular one over there, so but I think I prefer this one if I had to choose between the two. Guys, we are back, and look what we got. We got two Santa hats. For the boys, of course, they only had like standard sizing in there. They didn't have like kiddies hats versus adults. So I just picked up two of these, and I'm going to, like, you know, tack the sides and adjust it so like so it can fit their heads. And an added feature is it also lights up. How cute! So look at it. I'm not even gonna try it on. I'm gonna take it home. I can't even say me I go wash it because I know I mash up them something here, but I'm gonna like sanitize it. So yeah, this is what we got finally at Trip Fashion. So now we're gonna grab some lunch. So next stop is Island Grill. So yeah, let's go. Whew, burning up, man. Hi, afternoon. Sure, Merry early Christmas to you all. Afternoon. I'd like the special
jerk
barbecue, please. Breast and wing, and 6 festivals on the side. What is the holiday spice?
It's a Jamaican spice made with sorrel.
Oh, okay. Because I came here looking for sorrel, you know.
No, it's not really sorrel only.
Mix up.
Yes.
Okay, alright. I'd love to try the holiday spice.
One large one?
Give me the large. Yes, and we can share the large.
So that's it?
Yes, that's it.
So that's a special barbecue breast and wing at 6 festival and the holiday large.
Yes, I guess that's
2,670 here.
Alright, thank you. You too. Guys, so they don't actually have sorrel per se. They have something called the holiday spice, which is a mix of sorrel and some Jamaican spices. So I'm excited to try. And this is just getting me into the Christmas spirit even more. So big up to you, Island Grill. This is my go-to spot. Let me know in the comments what your go-to Island Grill order is. My Island Grill order is usually a Satisfaction. I'm a Satisfaction girl, but today best for something light, so I went for the special instead, and I got festivals so we can share with the boys. Okay, you know the boys love them festivals. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna try it out for you guys and give it a little rating. But it's a long line, so I have a good little wait. Yeah, me. Hi, afternoon.
Special 6 festival and the large spice.
Can tap? Perfect. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, thanks. Alright guys, so I got the merchandise. I'm already in it. So let us try the man of the moment or the woman of the moment, I don't know. The drink of the moment, the holiday spice refresher. I already put the straw in because I hate to break it to you, but TikTok saw this first. So I had to flip my phone and record a TikTok version, but you know, let's just do it again for YouTube. This is a new holiday spice refresher, and it's basically sorrel mixed in with a bunch of Jamaican spices, so that's good, right? I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Guys, it is so rich yet so refreshing. Like, nothing is actually overpowering, you know, the other ingredients, because I can taste the sorrel, I taste the ginger, the nutmeg, all the spices combined to make this wonderful drink. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a 10 out of 10. This right here is a 10 out of 10. If you're close by the island, if you're watching this video, you're hungry or you're thirsty, you want something refreshing, you're close by to an island grill, head out no and go and grab the holiday spice refresher. You're not gonna regret it, trust me. It is 750 she said for the large, 650 for the medium. So I have enough here to share for both the boys and I, so that's a steal in my opinion. Like, I'm always gonna get the large because why not? So yeah, let's go and grab these kitties and get home and prepare to film, because it's gonna be a long day as usual. So yeah, let's go.
Where is it up to your book? Who shall be a book?
I don't know.
Alright, let's go take off our clothes.
This is not my problem. This is not my problem. This is not my problem.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah.
What are you asking him?
Okay.
S-S-I-N-G. Let go of your brother. Leave him alone.
Sitting in the hole.
Sitting in a hole? That's not how the song goes.
Okay.
That's not how the song goes. Sitting in a tree.
Oh. Okay. Jammer in a wire. Sitting in a tree. L-O-V-E.
I-N.
In love.
Cheers. Come, Jamie. As usual, this young man only works for money. Come, how much money you want for this video?
Mommy, I want
How much money you want?
100.
1,000? That's 1,000. Alright, here you go. Come, let's go. Yes, Javi? Don't be like this young man. Come, let's go.
I want 1,000.
Alright, no problem.
I want 1,000.
I want one of you here. And then let me get the other chair. Javi? You alright?
I mean, it's a daddy.
I said daddy, I said Javi.
I said daddy.
Javi.
Daddy.
See that? You guys okay? You need some more juice? You need water? You need anything?
No.
So we finished decorating our Kisco tree. We have Kisco's galore on the tree, guys. Put some more on.
Yeah, I want to.
You want more Kisco's to drink?
Yeah.
These ones are kind of hot. I have some cold ones in the fridge. You want one, Javi?
Yeah, cold one.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a cold one just on the tree. So this is our Kisco Christmas tree.
Yeah, I was drinking one.
Guys, we are done filming. I'm gonna show you guys some behind the scenes. Hey, listen, filming with kids is no joke, you know. Them give me talking, you know. No, sir. Mind you, me, they love to film, but they sometimes get upset if they don't get it right. Jamie is very miserable. Come here. Come show the people them your Christmas hat. Come show them your Santa hat, Jamie. Stop. No, let's show them the lights. Lights up. No, turn them lights up here. I forgot to turn them on. Don't do another video, we can turn them on. But they do light up. It's so cute. Boys, how was the video? You guys had fun? Alright, we need to go and check out.
Wait. One more thing.
What? Alright, come here. Come to me a favor. Come. Don't kiss your brother. We need to take off all the Kiscos so I can go and put on my finishing touches, right, to the Christmas tree. Here you go. You can put these in the fridge and let them freeze up. Should we do a giveaway in this video? What do you guys think? Should we give away some Kiscos to our subscribers?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, the boys have decided to do a little giveaway. Tell them what they're getting, Javi.
They're getting Kisco. Yeah.
Okay, so
And we decided they're getting one whole pack.
now I'm gonna give a lucky subscriber. Let's see.
This what you're getting.
What do they have to do to win this lovely pack?
All you have to do to get this is to like and subscribe to all our videos.
And comment what you want them to comment.
Christmas.
Okay, and then you'll get it. Alright. Alright guys, so I saw this is a hack where they use like balloons to like fill up the spaces. So I have a few gaps here and there that I want to use the balloons for. You know, I don't want it to be too crowded. But just to fill up the little gaps, because this tree is not as, how do you say, it's not as fluffy I guess we just have to worry about the fact that the balloon them might fall out, but I'm just using them to fill little gaps here and there. So just to make the tree look a bit fuller, and I'm not trying to overcrowd the tree at all. So I just blow it like this, and then I just use it to give a little, you know, razzle dazzle. It looks different already, guys. Trust me. Just the fact that I added these balloons, the tree looks different already. I'm gonna add one more. Where can I put this green? There's a lot of green down here. Let me add it right here. So I'm gonna get one more balloon and come back. Okay, it's looking good so far. And so I have these flowers that I'm gonna fluff out. How many of these flowers do I have? So I have 6 of these. Red and is this beige? Can I have a hint of gold? So let's just find spots to put them, fluff them out and find spots to put them. So this is what it's looking like after I fluff it out. This is a poinsettia, I think. Not sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it somewhere. I don't want to overcrowd the tree though. I feel like that's a little bit overcrowded. How does that look? Ooh, I'm loving how these are looking. Let's find a nice spot for this one. So I already put one over there. I want to put one closer to the top. Too much. Let's stick it around here for a little character, you know. It's giving. I'm gonna add the others. So guys, this is the ribbon I was telling you all about. Do you need help to put this on the door? I want to wrap the door with it. I'm just really tight and do. See if you can go. One of this, you know. So guys, this is it. They didn't have any plain red, so I just had to, you know, work with this. And then bottom, bring it to the top. No, go up, just go up, like you're going to the top of the door. Give it to me now over the top of the door. Give it, yeah. So I want to like even this out. And then I'm gonna put one through the corner for you. This is flat? Yeah. Alright, I don't want to twist up it. Make sure it's flat. So I'm gonna go and just gotta go like this. You can't see the oil going in. Alright, you get the gist now. So hold this part, don't move. I feel like it's too short. Need to lengthen this part. These 2 lovely bows that I'm gonna add as a finishing touches. Wait, I put this on the wrong side. I'm actually use some safety pins to secure it. Alright. Okay, it's looking cute, it's giving. Yeah, I got on now. There we go. How lovely. So guys, I'm here trying to make some bows. For the life of me, I cannot tie a bow. Oh, the sun outside. So I'm trying to cut the excess from the ribbon that I just used from the door to make some miniature bows for the tree. Oh my god, the thing is thinking, man. So that's what I'm doing. Or should I just wrap it around the tree or make some little loop bows. You know them little loop bows where you basically go in and out of the tree? Maybe I should just do that because this is not working out. Jamir, I need help. Can I have a kiss cup, please? Then again. Never mind, I'll get it. You're giving me some of yours? Can I have some of yours, my love? Mommy's trying to tie a bow.
And another wrapper.
Thank you.
Anything you want.
Thank you. You know, this is not as hard as I make it. It's not hard. But for some strange reason, I feel like I think I'm not, sir. I'm going to watch a little video and see how to properly tie this bow because this is embarrassing. How can I not know how to tie a bow? This is how I would tie a bow. So like so. And then so, right? It's like this. But this is not cute. That's a problem in it, not cute. I give up. I give up, Jamir. Alright, so I finally figured out how to make the bows. And I'm gonna just go ahead and place them throughout the tree to help to tie everything in. So yeah. Okay guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. Thank you so much for tuning into Vlogmas Day 10. And my heart is full because this tree is giving Shanice. It's not too overcrowded, it's not too colorful. It's just right for me and I love it. But go ahead and rate my tree in the comments, guys. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it's your vibe. And if it's not, that's totally fine. But until then, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Bye.
We didn't say what to do.
Today was Vlogmas Day 10. You guys weren't in it. Bye. You're at school. What was I supposed to do?
Why do you just did it after we just came home?